In this video, I will show you how you can turn on your computer with the iPhone action button. The video will consist of 3 parts. In the first part we will make the necessary settings on the computer. In the second part, we will activate the Wake on Lawn feature, and in the last part, I will show you how to use the Wake on Lawn feature with the action button. First of all, we need to make the BIOS settings. In this video, I will show you how you can do it on Asus and MSI motherboards. You can do the same on other motherboards in a similar way. While your computer is turning on, enter the BIOS by pressing the Del key, then click on the Advanced section. Then click on APM configuration. Disable the ERP Ready feature and turn on the Power On by PCIe feature. Then save and exit the BIOS. Enter the Advanced section, then click on Wake Up Event Setup. Select the BIOS at the top. And activate the Resume by PCIe Device feature. Then enter the Power Management Setup section and disable the ERP Ready feature. Then save and restart. Now let's do the Windows settings. First, enter Power Options. Click on Choose what the power buttons do on the left. If there is a Fast Boot option here, disable it. Then enter Device Manager and select your connection device. Open all the ticks in the Power Management section. Enter the Advanced section and turn on the Magic Packet Matching Wake Up feature. The settings are ready. Now we can activate the Wake on Lawn feature. Click on the link I gave in the description and scroll down to download the application for Windows and complete the installation. After the installation is complete, restart the computer. Now let's install the application on the phone. Download the app from the App Store and open it. After the application opens, click on the 3 dots and click on Scan Network, then select your computer. And click Add. If you can't see your computer, try restarting the computer. Then open the Shortcuts application and create a new shortcut. Instead of searching, type Wolox and select Wake Up Device. After adding it, click on the Device section and select your computer. Then enter the Action button settings, select Shortcuts and select the shortcut you created. Now when you press the button, your computer will turn on. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me.